This may be the last drone video of Goodison Park before it is demolished at the end of the 2024-2025 season. Welcome to Goodison Park, the historic home of Everton Football Club. Located in the heart of Liverpool, the stadium has been a cornerstone of English football since it opened its doors in 1892. And now it will be home to Everton for one last time before they move to a new ground. Goodison Park was the first major football stadium built in England, has hosted more top-flight games than any other stadium in England. One of the most iconic moments was the 1966 FIFA World Cup, where it hosted 5 games, including the thrilling quarter-final between North Korea and Portugal. One unforgettable victory for Everton was the 2-0 win over Liverpool in the 2010 Merseyside derby, with goals from Tim Cahill and Mikel Arteta. As the new season starts and Everton tries to get their first win under Sean Dyche, we hope you have enjoyed this drone tour of one of football's most iconic stadiums. So that's it for the drone footage of Goodison Park. What will it take for Everton to get their season on track? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more drone videos. Thank you for watching this drone video and see you in the next one.